Hey, my great, is there somebody here today? Alright, today I'm gonna give you some advice that is very, very important for your life. Because I need you to be always connect and healthy. You get it? Alright, you see that? That is face mask. We are dealing with the coronavirus, and coronavirus is kind of global situation that we are facing every single day, everywhere around the world. Alright, it's very important for you to put on your face mask every day. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel because in this YouTube channel we give you some advice, some very motivational speech will help your life. You know, it's not only about English. You know, sometimes we teach people, we show them love, we show them what they have to do, you know, to avoid get that coronavirus, which is virus, the disease. Alright, so always put on your face mask. Very, very important to put on your face mask. You know, everywhere around the world they're asking people to put their face mask to be safe. Don't forget to use your sanitizer, you know, sanitize your hands every single time. And it's not coronavirus, it's coronavirus. Alright, when I say coronavirus, oh my god, this coronavirus is very dangerous. Coronavirus. Not only they do coronavirus, coronavirus. Oh, it's coronavirus. The coronavirus is a global situation. Alright, so from today, you know how to pronounce coronavirus. Alright, it's kind of global situation. And always put on your face mask. God bless you. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe, share, like it. Subscribe, share, like it.